Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. We are, it's like day 2 of the Plymouth project, right? Power tour project in full swing today. So, a little bit sunny. It is December, I don't know, like 18th, 19th, something like that. So, beautiful weather, short sleeve shirts on, not too bad. A little chilly, but not bad. But we have moved the car. Car was there all night. Now we got it removed. So I can get the Cadillac out of the garage, so I get the pressure washer out. Yep, pressure washer out. Because today's day we're gonna wash her up. Get her cleaned up a little bit and hopefully get down in the other garage today and drop the tank. That's kind of the goal for today. Fired up good today. Had a little exhaust leak. But yeah, it actually fired up pretty good today. So probably the best this car's ever ran in a long time. But that is today's project. So a little time-lapse action coming up here, washing the car. And hopefully it looks a lot better. I mean, I know I enjoy these old videos. People watching these barn finds and all that. It's pretty dirty. I mean, it's pretty filthy. So you can see it. Back glass. You can't even tell. This has got the Solix glass. So that glass is a little bit, supposed to be a little bit green. We'll get it cleaned up for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna set the time lapse. I'll see you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, doing some editing here on this video and realized I never did like a recap. How the car turned out or nothing. I didn't. I thought I recorded it, and the footage must be missing. I just don't know. But I know the footage I'm working on, I had to edit it twice. So I know probably some issues. I got a new computer. That's how it goes. But car turned out great. Man, I'm like super stoked how cleaned up it was, how it cleaned up. Everything's so good. Can't show you right now because I've got some other videos in the making, and we got some progress with the car. It's pretty much I've done a lot. Found a lot of problems with the drivetrain and some issues that we're gonna have to correct to make it a good power tour car. I mean, people don't realize, but when the power tour comes around, it's a lot of miles, short period of time. A lot of work has to go into making sure that you don't have problems. Nothing like spending money on vacation, taking your car out, and then working on it the whole week. It does happen. It happens to a lot of people on the trip. But if you watch, if you've ever been on the power tour, that's how some of the problems get. That's how they show up. A lot of people drive their cars to cruise-ins and drive them, 50-mile radius, and they do great. And as soon as you put them in traffic, as soon as you put them with another 3,000 cars on a road trip, 30,000 cars at the venue themselves, it's definitely a different breed of a car that you need. You need a car to be tip-top condition. So I got some videos coming out, show you kind of the problems, where I'm at. That's about it. I appreciate you guys sticking around. Hope you enjoyed the content for the power tour progress. I'm gonna try to get this car. Of course, you know how things go. I got a little bit more I bit off a little bit more than I thought I did, but we'll end up having a pretty cool ride when it's all said and done. But I do appreciate you guys sticking around. Like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.